What's the meaning of barista? Barista. Barista.
Barista. Barista. A barista is a skilled professional who specializes in making and serving coffee-based drinks. The word barista comes from Italian, where it means bartender or barman. Baristas must have extensive knowledge of coffee and the various methods of brewing and preparing espresso-based beverages. They are responsible for creating a wide range of coffee drinks, including cappuccinos, lattes, and macchiatos. In addition to their technical skills, baristas must also possess excellent customer service skills and be able to interact with customers in a friendly and personable manner. They often work in coffee shops, cafes, and other food and beverage establishments, and are an essential part of the coffee industry.